This might be a mistake for some buyers, especially those thinking this will be a beginner drone to just casually fly around. This thing is top-notch and meant for someone looking to take serious aerial photography and videography to the next level. The DJI Mini 5 Pro comes packed in a bundle with everything you need to turn you into a pro at capturing stunning footage in no time. Link is in the description. Let's get one thing straight: this is not for your run-of-the-mill, occasional flyer, or for anyone expecting an easy drone to throw together and go. This is for those dedicated to the craft and willing to invest in quality that pays off, big time. If that's you, then keep reading, but if you just want something simple for a quick fly around the park, keep looking because this might frustrate you more than enhance your experience. Now, for those who can actually take advantage of what the DJI Mini 5 Pro has to offer, let's dive into some real-world use. This baby's got some serious muscle under the hood. With the RC2 controller, you're getting faster setup and more precise control than ever before. This controller is designed to handle even the most advanced flying techniques with ease, making it perfect for those looking to push the limits of what you can capture in the air. The Fly More Combo Plus ensures you get the most out of every flight, packing in all the essentials for those longer trips without the hassle of downtime. Plus, you're getting a top-notch 64GB memory card, which is perfect for those looking to store thousands of high-quality photos in crisp 4K video. When it comes down to it, this combo means you get to stay in the air longer, capture more shots, and keep your workflow moving smoothly. You'll also be getting a lightweight landing pad, perfect for transporting your Mini Pro safely, without a worry. And let's not forget about smart assistance. This drone comes equipped with advanced sensors and automated safety features to ensure a worry-free fly every time. This smart tech is designed to help you navigate through dense forests, over buildings, and around obstacles with ease, giving you complete confidence in your flying. When paired with the high-quality camera and advanced stabilization system, you're getting the perfect combo for capturing that perfect shot every time. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has made its mark as one of the top contenders in the industry and is a favorite among pros and enthusiasts alike. So, if you're ready to upgrade your aerial photography game and want a drone that can deliver on its promises, this is the one. But, it's not perfect. The DJI Mini 5 Pro does come with one major drawback: it's a significant investment. At $1,689.95, it's not for the faint of heart, and only true enthusiasts or serious professionals should consider it. But, think about it this way: this drone is an investment that lasts, and what you do with it will only take you further and further up the ladder of quality content creation. In the end, if you're looking to step up your aerial photography game, take risks, and experiment with new angles, and push the limits of your creativity with a high-end camera on board, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is the right drone for you. If you're just starting out and looking for a beginner drone to tinker with, keep looking because this drone is best left for those with serious passion and drive. See the latest deal using the link in the description.